สวัสดีครับ Hello guys. Today we're making Thai dishes. Today's dish is called Nam Tok Moo in Thai. In English, it's pork with spicy seasonings. I got this idea from a comment that I saw on one of my videos. They wanted to see me making Nam Tok Moo. So today, let's make it. These are all the ingredients. 2 tablespoons of soybean oil, 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of flaky salt, and 2 tablespoons of its soy sauce. So now we're gonna mix it. The pork is the neck piece of the pork. Mostly Thai dishes, we use the neck piece of the pork. So let's marinate the pork first. This is our mixing bowl. Slowly get that pork in. Okay. The first ingredient that we're going to add is our oil. The oil helps the pork to become smooth. So let's just pour that in. And then wear a plastic glove and mix it. Make sure to flip it when you mix it because the oil will just sit at the bottom and not come at the top. Mix for just a few seconds until the oil gets into that pork. The next ingredient that we're going to add is the soy sauce. Pour that in. And then mix it. And then our 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Pour that in. Mix it up. The last ingredient that we're gonna add is our flaky salt. Just gonna put that up and mix it up. We want the salt to break up into very small pieces. Mix that all up. And then just take our glove off. Until it looks like this. This is the perfect pork. We're gonna marinate it for 15 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna make the sauce that we're gonna pour on top. Let's do it. Okay, now let's make our sauce. So, our sauce is combined with all these ingredients: lime, salt, palm sugar, fish sauce, dried chilies. Last ingredient is our roasted rice powder. So let's make it. First thing we're gonna add is our fish sauce. Goes in there. Next thing is our salt. Next thing is the lime. If you like sour, just add how many limes as you want. So these are 2 limes. Squeeze it all in. We don't want to squeeze it too hard because the bitterness of the skin is gonna come out. So just 2 pieces of lemon. Squeeze that hard. And next one is gonna be our palm sugar. Actually, you can use white sugar, but I like palm sugar and I'm gonna use this today. Put that all in. And then mix. Make sure to break down that sugar. We're just gonna mix it until the sugar dissolves. See, there's almost no sugar in there. Let's taste it. Ooh, really sour. But I think it needs a little bit more. I like sour. Put that in, mix. Next ingredient is gonna be our chili flakes. this much. Let's taste it again. Frio! This tastes good. Next is the last ingredient, grounded rice powder. Just half of this is already enough. Just add it in. And then mix it all up. Make sure to get the pieces that are stuck onto the side back in there. Mix it all up. There you go. This looks so good and smells good. Let's taste it for the final time. That's good. Now let's cook the pork. Bingo, gotta. Okay, let's cook our pork. So, normally we use a charcoal grill because the flavor of the smoke enhances the flavor and the smell. But it's just not that portable. So we're just gonna use a trusty and handy electrical grill. So we're just gonna cook it at 200 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Get this off. Lay down our pork that we just marinated for 15 minutes. We're gonna make sure it just stays flat. You don't want it to fall down like that. There you go. Put that in. Okay. Close it up. Okay, let's see that. 200 degrees. Let me see first. 200 degrees. And 15 minutes starts. We're gonna let the camera do the job. I can't stare at this for a long time. So let's let the camera do the work. Okay, and after preparing the last ingredients and cooking our pork, we're ready to prepare the dish. But first, look at the pork. This thing is juicy. It's dripping. Oh, you see that? Oh my God, that thing's dripping. Okay, let's cut into it. Try that, and then cut it. I'll find a perfect angle. Start cutting it. Very thin pieces. There you go. And just make it even. There you go. So this is what it should look like. Nice pork. Cut into little strips. So see, you want it to look like this. So, see that? It's caramelized right here. Some of that charred edges. And as you can see, it's not dry. Juicy. And for our next step, let's make our sauce. Put it into our mixing bowl so we can put it together with the sauce. So let's get it in. Bloop. There we go. Put this aside. Next is the sauce. So these are all the ingredients for our sauce. Of course, we have our sauce, shallots, peppermint, cilantro, and spring onion. So we're just gonna mix all of this into here. First thing we're gonna add is the sauce that we just made a couple minutes ago. Still looks good. Put it in. Make sure to scrape everything out. We don't want to waste any food. Put it down. Next thing is our shallots. Don't need to tweezers, just pour it in. This much is okay. Keep mixing that until the shallots break apart. So it looks like this. Okay. Now to add our spring onions, culantro, and cilantro. Pour it all in. This smells so good. Mix it all up. Mix until it all comes together. Until it looks like this. Look at that. Looks very good. Pour it into our plate. And then we put it into our plate. Last ingredient, peppermints. Sprinkle it on top. A little bit more. And there you have it. Nam Tok Moo looks very good. Let's try it. But I'm gonna clear our things first. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're done cooking. Let's try it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start eating. This looks very good. See that red onions and cilantro. Wow. Perfectly spicy. And the shallots give a little bit of crunchiness. Look at that. Looks very delicious. Wow. Fuyo! This is the best. It's super delicious. I never thought of it. Wow.
Super spicy.
Okay, it's the end of the video now. And thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe so we can make more videos. And remember, if a 10-year-old can make it, you can make it! Our goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. So help reach 1,000 subscribers and help share this video with other people around the world. Thank you. สวัสดีครับ Bye bye. If you eat a lot, you need to exercise a lot. Look at my brother. What's going on?